Are you tired of scouring the internet for fashion product images that never quite match your vision? Introducing Visual Hound, the revolutionary fashion AI that will transform your design process. With Visual Hound, you can create an infinite number of realistic-looking product images to feed your mood boards. Say goodbye to limited options and hello to limitless creativity. To start creating your design, simply follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Sign up or log into your Visual Hound account. You can sign up using your Gmail account. Once you're in, it's time to bring your fashion design concept to life. Step 2. Upload or create your fashion design concept. Whether you have a sketch or a 3D model, simply upload or create your design on the platform. To create your own design, start by describing the image you want to create. Then, select the aspect ratio and the number of images you want. Step 3. Generate realistic product images using AI algorithms. Using AI algorithms, Visual Hound AI generates incredibly realistic product images that will amaze you. This process takes few seconds. What will you be designing? Share it in the comments section below. Here are my designs. Step 4. Download the generated images for use in mood boards, presentations, or production planning. Finally, you can download the generated images for use in presentations or production planning. Visualize your product designs with ease before going into production. Transform your fashion design ideas into reality with Visual Hound AI. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision and efficiency in your design process. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI news, applications, tutorial and tips.